Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be creating a route in Pay the Poolman Plus for our technicians. Now, it is important that before you begin this process, that you've already set up your employees. If you have not done this, you can go ahead and watch our employee video on how to create a profile for your techs. Once you've done that, you can go here to Plus and then down to Routing. Then you can click the employee that you want to create a route for. And we're going to click the first day that our tech is going to start servicing. For this tech, it's going to be Monday. Then you're going to scroll down here to select customer. And just a note, if you're not able to find one of your customers down here, it probably means they're inactive. So go ahead and toggle on the inactive button and see if they pop up. If you're still not seeing them, click all. If your customer is inactive, I highly recommend going in and making them active again on their customer profile. Next, we're going to select the first customer we want to put on this route. We're going to click and drag over here until it appears in blue. Once a customer has been added to a route, it's going to appear green over here, and then you'll be able to find its parallel over here in blue. If it's in red, this means that customer has not yet been added to a route. So we're going to go ahead and add a second customer here. And then if you'd like, you can organize which stop you want your tech to do first. So I'm just going to put this one up here, and that's the new lineup. Okay, let's go ahead and do it for Tuesday as well. There we go. And I might add one more customer. There we go. You could do this for all the rest of the days that your tech services. Once you've created your route with your customers, you can click our Optimize tool to optimize which stops are more preferred for an optimized route. Then you can actually create a starting and ending location here and look at how long this route is going to be for your tech. And then once it's in the correct order that you want, you can go ahead and click Save. And there you go. Now all that's left to do is for your tech to click the Sync Now button on their Plus app, and they'll be good to go and ready to service. And that's going to be all for this video. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient software and our caring support team. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content, and we will see you in the next video.